Welcome to Nature Pulse. I'm Khaleesi, and if you're someone who loves exploring beautiful winter landscapes while keeping the planet in mind, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top eco-friendly winter destinations for sustainable travelers, spots that not only offer stunning natural beauty, but also prioritize conservation and minimal environmental impact. So grab a warm drink, sit back, and let's explore these unforgettable green winter getaways together. Our first stop is Iceland, a country known for its incredible commitment to environmental conservation. Iceland's geothermal energy powers much of the country, including some of its most popular winter attractions. Here you can explore glistening glaciers, active geysers, and even catch a glimpse of the northern lights. For a truly eco-friendly experience, consider staying at one of Iceland's green hotels or eco-lodges. The Blue Lagoon, for example, is a famous geothermal spa that prioritizes sustainability. Iceland also has eco-friendly tour operators who can guide you through its rugged winter landscapes without leaving a big carbon footprint. And remember, traveling sustainably here means respecting the natural beauty around you. Avoid disturbing the fragile moss and tundra. It takes years to grow in Iceland's harsh climate.
Every whisper tells you never fold. In the silence, hear your spirit sing. On the summit where your soul takes wing. Touch the sky with your hopeful hands. On this road where the brave still scale. Feel the world with ever stars alight. In this journey, there's no finish line. Touch the sky with your hopeful hands. On this road.
Next, we're headed to Switzerland, where eco-friendly winter tourism has taken skiing to a whole new level. Switzerland's ski resorts, such as Zermatt, are leaders in sustainable winter tourism. Zermatt is actually car-free, which reduces pollution and maintains the fresh mountain air visitors love. Many resorts here utilize renewable energy, practice rigorous recycling, and ensure their operations leave as little impact on the environment as possible. And for those who love adventure, skiing in Switzerland's eco-conscious resorts provides the best of both worlds: thrilling outdoor activities and a guilt-free conscience. Staying in green-certified lodges can further reduce your carbon footprint, making it easy to enjoy Switzerland's snowy beauty while being mindful of the environment.
We both know the city's cries echo louder every night. Let's pack our dreams and hit the skies. Find a place where stars align. No more car horns in our ears. No more shadows filled with doubt. We'll turn our backs on our fears.
Our third stop brings us to Canada's Rockies, where eco-lodges blend seamlessly into the rugged landscape. Banff and Jasper National Parks are popular destinations for winter travel, offering sustainable lodging options that allow you to enjoy nature without impacting it. In the Rockies, you can explore snow-covered forests, frozen lakes, and mountainous terrains, all while staying in eco-lodges that prioritize renewable energy, water conservation, and waste reduction. It's a perfect escape for travelers who want to stay connected to nature, especially in winter, when the Rockies are at their most serene and breathtaking. So whether you're snowshoeing, ice skating, or just taking in the view, you'll be leaving a light footprint. Now we're off to Japan's snowy island of Hokkaido, a winter wonderland known for its powdery snow and natural hot springs. Hokkaido's eco-friendly resorts focus on conservation while providing one-of-a-kind snow experiences, from peaceful hot springs to exciting winter sports. Staying in eco-conscious accommodations here lets you appreciate Japanese traditions that honor nature, like the traditional onsens, or hot springs. Plus, Hokkaido's sustainable tourism practices include waste reduction and protecting the island's unique wildlife. Remember to embrace Japan's Motonai philosophy, meaning don't waste, as you enjoy your time here. This way, you help preserve Hokkaido's beauty for generations to come.
Whispers of the sea fill my mind. Sand beneath my feet, so hard to find. Tides pull me in, where thoughts unwind. In the ocean's arms, I'm not confined. Feel the waves, they crash so near.
And last, but definitely not least, we head to Finland, a place renowned for its commitment to sustainability and its magical winter experiences. Finland offers eco-friendly cabins, some of which are built entirely off the grid, perfect for viewing the northern lights in a secluded, natural setting. The Finnish Lapland is home to unique, sustainable accommodations like glass igloos and log cabins, designed to give you an incredible view of the northern lights while minimizing energy use. You can travel sustainably in Finland by using local transportation and supporting small, eco-conscious businesses. As you're exploring this winter wonderland, don't forget to practice Finland's love for nature by respecting wildlife and avoiding waste. It's all part of the Finnish tradition of every man's right, where nature is shared and protected for everyone to enjoy.
They crash so near, washing away each silent tear. In the water, I lose my fear. The ocean speaks, and I can hear. Salty breezes kiss my face in this ever-fluid place. Heart and sea in sweet embrace, finding peace in the vast space.
Now that we've explored these eco-friendly winter destinations, let's talk about some general tips for sustainable travel in winter. First, pack reusable items like water bottles and shopping bags to reduce single-use plastic. Supporting local, eco-friendly businesses along your journey helps you contribute positively to the places you visit. Whenever possible, opt for low-impact activities like hiking, snowshoeing, or simply enjoying the scenery. They're wonderful ways to connect with nature while keeping your impact minimal. And of course, always leave no trace, making sure the beauty you find is preserved for the next traveler. Thank you so much for watching Nature Pulse. I'm Khaleesi, and I hope you're inspired to take an eco-friendly winter adventure of your own. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on more travel, nature, and lifestyle tips. And if you're ready to plan your trip, check out the links below for more eco-friendly travel guides and tips. Until next time, safe and sustainable travels.